Welcome to Guarda Wallet versus GreenAddress. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are provided in the description below. In this video, we'll dive into the features, usability, and target audiences of Guarda Wallet and GreenAddress to help you decide which wallet fits your needs. Guarda Wallet is a versatile, non-custodial wallet that supports over 50 blockchains and thousands of tokens. It's accessible on mobile, desktop, web, and as a browser extension, making it highly adaptable to various user preferences. Key features include a built-in crypto exchange, staking options for multiple assets, and integration with hardware wallets for enhanced security. Guarda provides full user control over private keys, aligning with decentralization principles. Its intuitive interface makes it beginner-friendly, while advanced users appreciate its robust portfolio management tools and token creation features. Guarda's broad asset support makes it ideal for users managing diverse crypto holdings. GreenAddress, on the other hand, is a Bitcoin-only wallet that focuses heavily on security. Designed as a hierarchical deterministic (HD) wallet, it provides multi-signature functionality to enhance fund safety. GreenAddress supports two-factor authentication, 2FA, and allows users to set spending limits, offering a controlled and secure environment. It is available on mobile, Mint desktop, and as a Chrome extension. Since GreenAddress is entirely Bitcoin-focused, it's perfect for users deeply invested in Bitcoin and those who prioritize security features over multi-asset support. However, its narrower scope means it lacks support for other cryptocurrencies and features like staking or in-app token swaps. In summary, Guarda Wallet is the better choice for users seeking a multi-currency, non-custodial solution with extensive features, suitable for both beginners and experienced crypto enthusiasts. Conversely, GreenAddress is ideal for Bitcoin maximalists or users seeking robust security measures for their BTC holdings. While Guarda offers flexibility and broader asset support, GreenAddress excels in Bitcoin-specific safety and simplicity. Your decision depends on whether you need a versatile wallet for a diverse crypto portfolio or a focused wallet designed exclusively for Bitcoin. Explore the links in the description to learn more about each wallet and find the one that suits your needs.